Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Ukraine.
Kiev.
United States of America.
Washington DC.
Very good, Ashrit. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask you the capitals of states of our country. Are you ready?
Ready.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar.
Andhra Pradesh,
Itanagar.
Assam,
Dispur.
Bihar,
Patna.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Goa,
Panaji.
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar.
Haryana and Punjab,
Chandigarh.
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla.
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar.
Jharkhand,
Ranchi.
Kerala,
Trivandrum.
Manipur,
Impal.
Madhya Pradesh,
Gopal.
Meghalaya,
Shillong.
Nagaland,
Kohima.
Odisha,
Manipur.
Rajasthan,
Jaipur.
Sikkim,
Gangtok.
Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai.
Karnataka,
Bangalore.
Tripura,
Havana.
Uttar Pradesh,
Dehradun.
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun.
West Bengal,
Kolkata.
Maharashtra,
Mumbai.
Mizoram.
Hanoi.
Okay, Ashri. Now are you ready for Union Territories?
Ready.
Delhi,
Delhi.
Andaman and Nicobar,
Portland.
Chandigarh,
Chandigarh.
Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Silvassa.
Daman and Diu,
Daman and Diu.
Lakshadweep,
Lakshadweep.
Puducherry.
Puducherry.
Wow, Ashrit, very good. What a brilliant child he is. Audience, please give a big hand. We wish to appreciate the efforts taken by the parents. His mother, G. Swati, is a teacher of our school, and father, G.K. Jia Kumar. Thank you, Ashrit. You can go back to your position now. Audience, once again, please give a big hand for this wonder kid. Grandparents with feelings of pride and excitement. As the class of 2017 receive their graduation certificates and turn their tassels from right to left as they just want to say the two little words, thank you, to their moms, dads, grandparents, teachers and friends.
Laksh Jain and Lohit Ananya of Senior KGC will introduce our item number 15.
Good evening. My name is Lakshmi of Senior KGC. Good evening. My name is Navstananya of Senior KGC. Now we are going to present the song Graduation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you done. Thank you.
Thank you, kids. Children and teachers, please stand and present the song.
Teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and
for your awesome performance. Please be seated. Audience, you just heard the words of gratitude. Please give them a big round of applause.
Our next item is Chief Guest Address. We are very pleased to have Honorable Mr. B. Madhav Naidu, MLA Narsapur, as our Chief Guest this evening. I now request him to kindly come forward and address the gathering.
Founder of J.C. Clay Foundation School, respected Mr. M.J. Sikle, and Director of this J.C. Clay Foundation School, respected Mrs. Uma Grace, and guest of honor to today's occasion, respected Mrs. B. Elizabeth David, Principal of Ashram School, Kakinada, and Secretary and Correspondent of J.C. Clay Foundation, respected our Principal Sir, and parents and teachers, students, and to the loving and cute graduates of this J.C. Clay Foundation. Good evening to everybody. I am so excited to be a part in this very great occasion, and also I am very proud to be as the chief guest to a school in which I have studied. I am very happy. I have studied in this J.C. Clay School in the year 1987, 88, 89. 2 years I have studied. I wandered here in the buildings here with good infrastructure, and this same ground we used to play lot of games. So many sweet memories, so many great good memories. But the 2 years I studied in this school, I studied 8th class for 2 years. I might be poor in studies at that time, but I have learned so many things from this school. I learned to respect my parents. I learned to love and respect my parents from this school. I learned to love and respect the teachers from this school. I learned to love and respect the elders from this school. And I learned to love and respect my nation from this school. So many good manners I have learned from this school. And I am proud to say that I am with good manners. And because of my good manners, I got good leadership qualities. And from that leadership qualities, I became a member of Legislative Assembly and came to the same school as the chief guest. That's the greatness of this J.C. Clay Foundation School. Today, all these children participating in this graduation, kindergarten graduation, they're really very lucky, they're very proud. And I'm telling the parents of these children also that you're all proud parents that your students are studying in this J.C. Clay Foundation School. And I also appreciate this J.C. Clay management for doing this great occasions, connecting this graduation, making them, learning them this kindergarten, and conducting these good occasions builds very good confidence on these children, small children. From this younger age, they'll grow like with the challenging abilities. Really appreciate once again this J.C. Clay Foundation School, and I appreciate our MJ Moses Sikle sir for establishing a great institution in our Narsapur and giving a very good products to our nation. Really, it's a very pride and proud for our Narsapur area people also. And I also appreciate our principal sir. When I studied here, we all our students has to have very good coordination with our principal sir. He learned us all this discipline and all. And I'm observing from then, every year by year, is becoming more young and is a very active person. And I always, whenever I meet him, I'll feel very happy that our respected sir, because of him, we are in this position. And I also appreciate these students to have a very good future and be a proud to our nation, to the parents, to the school, to the teachers. And one day, they also come to this school as a chief guest by becoming very good citizens of this India. And I also request the management of this school. There are so many products from this Sikles Foundation. You say my classmates are there, or later on so many students were there. They became great doctors. The students who have studied from this J. Sikle Foundation, they became very great doctors. They became very great engineers. They became good scientists. So many people were there from the J. Sikle School who became very proud to our India. So I request this management to bring every time like these occasions to these students who became very good citizens of India from this school to bring them as a chief guest, so that they also will be a proud, and it will be an inspiration to the students of the J. Sikle School who are learning in this J. Sikle School. Thank you one and all for making me to participate in this good, great occasion which is happening in my school. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your advice and inspiring words.
Come to our final item, goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. And it's time to go home. The audience enjoyed the program. Yes, now our children will present the song Goodbye.
R. Samuel Levy and Y. Pranavi of Senior KGE will introduce our item number 17.
लाइट डाउन जी
Good evening, my name is Samuel of Senior KGE. Good evening, my name is Pranita of Senior KGE. Now, we are going to present on the song Goodbye. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, kids. Children and teachers, please stand and present the song.
to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye. It's time to go home. See, it's time to go again. Goodbye. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. It's time to go home. See, it's time to go again. Goodbye. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye.
Thank you, kids. Please be seated. Audience, please give them a big hand for the loving goodbye. We will miss them.
Okay. Our next item is Vote of Thanks. We sincerely appreciate the presence of our Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. B. Madhav Naidu, MLA Narsapur, Guest of Honor Miss B. Elizabeth David, Headmistress, Ashram Public School, Kakinada, Founder Mr. M.J. Sikali, members of the school board, and all the family members of senior